salon owner. In the past few years, I heard a lot of hair salon owner and hairstylists say, I can't attract high ticket client into my salon. I cannot get dream client. And here's what I think. 3 things you can do to increase that, to attract dream client into your business. So number 1 thing, if you truly want to get dream client, you do need to post picture or video about hair transformation, because high ticket client, they love to invest and they love to see the transformation. They don't want to see just something simple haircuts. If you look at your social media, you say, okay, you post so much on social media, but it's all about low ticket. You will not attract high ticket client. So number 2, post more review. Number 3, you post more story. That it make client